Okay, let's start. Create a new folder called sts_html. So new folder stes capital letter _html. Locate the following files. Okay, this one done. Highlight. Locate the following files and store them in your SES HTML folder. So where is it? Okay. So access this ssd.txt and ssd style. Control C and go here and paste it. Okay, done. Open the file sdsdisk in a suitable application. So I just double click lah. Okay. Reflect the image horizontally. So cannot. So edit. Reflect. So horizontally. Okay, done. Save this as this one.jpg in your asset. Okay, so I'll save a copy. Desktop. Okay, save as one. This one.jpg. Okay, done. Okay, finish. Rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise. So edit, rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Save this image as this 2.jpg in your SES folder. So file, save a copy. This 2. Okay, done. Crop the image these two so that the solid state drive is visible with an equal amount of red background each side. This image must be square. Do not distort the image. The hard disk drive must not be visible. Okay. Can I crop it this way? No. So edit. So I will use this since they want square, so I put square lah. And then no hard disk, maybe smaller. Okay, looks good. Save as this tree. So file, save a copy. This tree. Okay, done. Resize the image, become 600 times 600. So file, resize image, so 600 times 600. Save this image as this form. So save. So save as this form. Okay, done. This form is saved in blah blah blah. Okay, done. Display the content of a blah. Okay, so open. Folder name. Yeah, this is the folder name. Next. Image dimension. I don't have image dimension, so right click on the menu tab. Dimension. Or you just more and then find dimension. Dimension. Okay. Next, all file names. Yeah, file name, file extension. If no file extension, you just go to show file extension. Yeah, it's stick here. And file size. Okay, I have. So drag it to make sure all words is appear. No any missing. No missing items. Okay, take a screenshot folder and place it into the evidence document. Make sure that the folder name, dimension file, extension file are clearly visible. So I don't have, so I just go Word. So and I will name it file save as to desktop evidence document. Do I have evidence document in the source file? Let's see. Desktop. Yeah, I have evidence document, so no need. So just copy them here and paste it here. So no need this Microsoft Word. Just open this. Okay. Enable editing. I don't want to save it to OneDrive. And then it says what? Take a screenshot of the folder. Okay. Just make sure everything is here. Okay. So what you have, I have the folder name, I have the file name, and all the name is visible. Type, the size, and the size is visible. Type also visible, and dimension visible. No nothing being collapsed, means everything is visible. Okay, no text being collapsed or being overlapped. Okay, done. Create a web page called solid state drive.htm. So open this one, create new HTML, create file, save as, go to desktop, solid state drive.htm, save it here, save. And then make sure always use design view, okay, done. Create this web page must work in all browsers and have the table structure as below. So 1, 2, 3 row, 3 columns. Go to insert, table, 3 row, 3 columns, delete the width and delete the border. Okay, make sure you delete all this. Don't put anything. Okay, Control plus to zoom in. Okay, A, highlight these 3, right click, table, merge cell, put in A. Then B is highlight these 2, table, merge, and put B. C, D, E, F. D, E, F. Okay, when you have this one is the merge between 2 columns. When you set 400 and 400 here, this table cell will automatically, B will automatically, the width will be 800. So you do not really need to set 800 for B, as long as you have 400 for D and 400 for E. So just go highlight D and E, right click properties, set the width to 400. Okay, and then the height is 80. So highlight again these 2, height is 80. Done. And then F is 600 times 80. So you can either set C or set F, it doesn't matter. Okay, because both are the same. You cannot have F lesser width than C, right? So you can set either one. So I will set at F lah. Okay, so 600. Do I need to set 80? Actually no need, because these 3 is the same row. You can, they should share the same height. Okay, they should share the same height. So you can just set 1. Then the rest will follow, because they are in the same row. Then everything must be in pixel, right? No, it doesn't mention here. Yeah, everything must be in pixel, so you remember to put in px. Although by default, if you don't put any measurement, it will be in pixel, but the Cambridge suggests you to us to put in. Okay, so next one, B and C do not need to set width anymore because the width is already set in DEF. So B, you just need to set height. So I will set in the B and ignore the C. So go to B here and then set the height 600. Okay. The height 600. Okay. If you set 600, the C will follow 600 because they are sharing the same row. Okay, A is 1,400, 14 hundreds. Then you add up, yeah, it's 1400. So you no need to set this, but you need to set the height. So go to A, set 80. Okay, so 80 need to put in PX. 600 also need to put in PX. Okay, control minus to zoom out. Okay, next. So I will just highlight them. Each table cell is identified with a letter and all dimensions are in pixel. Done. The letter and dimension shown in the table. Okay, I will highlight until here. This one I won't highlight because I want to make sure later when I come back I still can. I need to check before on the final web page. Okay, the table border and grid line must appear on the final web page. This one I will also not highlight because I will check at the last. Okay, enter the cell A text in H1. So A, paste it, highlight, and then right click, paragraph format, heading 1. Done. Cell B, ssd.text. So open ssd.text. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so copy everything. Sorry, because my PC is using Chinese, so I will have this kind of thing. Okay, mass storage. Okay, so copy and paste in text B in H2. At the original paragraph break are not lost. Okay, we paste it first. Okay, and then paragraph format H2. Done. Easy, right? Okay, next. Okay, cell C this 4. So C. Cell C image this 4. Okay, done. Add appropriate alternate text to this image. So this is a SSD. So I just put SSD. Done. Enter in cell D the text home page D. Set as H3. Paragraph H3. Okay, done. enter the cell text contact us in H3. Cell E, contact us in paragraph 3. Okay, make this tag a hyperlink to open an email editor. So when you see the word email, the link here, you need to put the word mail to. Okay, then column, followed by a message STS International, Cambridge International. So okay, done. With a subject line SSD enquiry. So at the end of this, put a question mark, subject equal SSD enquiry. Okay, done. So you will see this. This is the code. Okay, this is the code. Mail to SDS at cambridgeinternational.org. Organization, question mark, subject equal to SSD enquiry. Okay, done. Done. Text, web page edited by, followed by your name, sender number, and candidate number. So go to F, name. In the exam, you must use full name. You must use full name. Okay. You cannot just write my name, Gilbert Point, short form. Cannot. You must use full name as per in your IC, just like in your whatever, or as how you register the IGCSE candidate, must use full name. Okay, attach the style sheet SSD style CSS to this web page. So tools, CSS, attach style sheet. So this is the one. Okay, done. File, save. Next, open the style sheet SSD.css. So just click on this. Okay, check the code. Here's the code. Okay, in a suitable package, so we don't need. Edit the style sheet to meet this specification. H1, H2, H3. Arial, font family Arial, correct. If not available, have a picker, correct. If neither of these font available, then display the default sans serif. Okay, done. Put a semicolon. Okay, make it as a habit that put in a semicolon, and normally I will put this. Okay, font color. So font color, just put a color. Hashtag. This is the hexadecimal value. Center align text. Text align. Center. H1 30 points high. So H1 font size. Font size 30 point. Point is PT. If pixel is px, point is pt. Okay, so 30 points high. H2 14 points high. H2 font size. Cannot? Why cannot? H2 is 14. And H3 font size 20. Okay, done. All table cells means TD, because we don't have TH. Our cell, we don't set any TH, we only have TD, so just put TD. Padding set to 15, so padding 15. Pixel or point? pixel. No collapse, no collapse. Collapse should be table. Table collapse. No collapse. Actually, no collapse you can just ignore lah, because by default is no collapse already. Not table collapse, sorry. Border collapse. Okay, separate. Okay, by default it's separate already. Actually, you can just ignore. Background color. So set a body. Background color. Hashtag. Blue component set to hexadecimal 99. FF for the both red and green. RGB, so R first. R is FF, G is FF, and so 1 2 3 4 9 9. Okay, done. Add your name, sender number, and candidate number as a comment at the bottom. So go to the bottom. Add your name, full name, 9610000. This one, put in your last 4 digits of your student ID. Okay, as your candidate number. Just put the last 4 digits of your student ID. Save this. Okay, file, save all. Display your CSS style sheet on a software package. Take a screenshot. So okay, so take a screenshot and paste it in evidence for. So paste it in evidence for. Okay, done. I will put it into a next page, evidence for, and then my evidence. Okay, next one. Display the web page. Again, right click here, open in browser, and choose the browser. Not here. Don't use this. Don't use this. If you do this, you will get no marks in your exam. Okay. Why the last one is not in history, meh? The F. Yeah, set the F style in H3. Let's see. Yeah, this one I didn't set to H3. So right click, cannot. So split, right click, format style heading 3. No wonder it looks weird. Refresh. Okay, done. Go back here. Display the web or resize it so that, okay, I think mine is no need resize, but I got something which is, it says here, many people view slow internet connection, the web page style sheet must be, okay, so this one should be no problem. Okay, which one? The letter and the dimension shown in the diagram. Okay, this one also no problem. Table border and grid line must appear, so I don't have any border here, so I need to set border. So the easiest way is to set it here. So you just put table border. Done. Save. Control S, save. Save all. Then refresh. Now I have border. Okay, so this one can highlight now. Finish. Did I finish everything? This one also finish. Okay, all the page can be seen. Yes, correct. All the text can be easily read. Yes, correct. The address bar is visible, so you will see the solid state drive.html. If you open the file here, preview, you will see that you still get the same web page, but the address bar is different. You cannot get this sds_html/solid state drive if you use preview. Then you will get entire web page will get no marks because you are not doing this. Okay, no marks for entire web page. So okay, so it's done. Take a single screenshot of the web browser to paste on your evidence document. So Windows Shift S, screenshot, evidence 5. Okay, make sure you can see the web page, address, the web page, the border, the text, the picture, everything is done. Okay, done. Evidence 5. Display HTML source in your editor. Take a copy, please. Here say copy, so don't screenshot. When it says copy, you really need to copy. So go code, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and in evidence 6. So evidence 6, paste it. Okay, just copy and paste. Okay, done. Okay, save and print your evidence document. So make sure that you have entered your name, center number, and candidate number on your evidence document. So my evidence document I haven't entered, so I just put it on top. Gilbert Hua, MY961. MY961 is Wesley Methodist School, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, file save, file print. So print it as a PDF. Print as PDF. Okay, so print in this evidence document. Okay, done. Finish. So let's see. So what you need to do, ignore evidence 1 and 2 and just submit evidence 3, evidence 4, evidence 5, and evidence 6. Okay, submit this file only. I don't want your web page, I only want this file. Okay, the evidence document. Submit this. That's it from me. Thank you.